kidding me?
Until 8:30 p.m.
Are you serious?
At 8:01 p.m., a severe
Right
thunderstorm
when I was taking my shower?
over Hugo, or 18 miles northeast of St. Paul, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stillwater and Scandia around 8:10 p.m. Somerset around 8:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include New Richmond and Star Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities. This is no weather.
Wow. Right when I was like finishing up with my shower.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Washington County, Northeastern Ramsey County, Southwestern St. Croix County until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over White Bear Lake, 7 miles northeast of St. Paul, 40 miles to... Expected hazards include half-dollar-sized hail. Threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm... Woodbury, Stillwater, Lake Elmo, and Afton around 8:25 p.m. Bayport around 8:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hudson, North Hudson, and Roberts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions. Effective until 1 on Wednesday. Includes the following counties. In Wisconsin, Pierce, Polk, and St. Croix. Watch includes the following counties. In Wisconsin, Buffalo, Edmond, Pierce, and St. Croix. Remember, means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and southwest Wisconsin. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. No hazardous weather is expected at this time.
That was a surprise. Watch.
Northeastern Pierce County, southwestern Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near River Falls, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs. Woodville around 9:05 p.m. Statements. Thunderstorm include Elmwood and Galley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the
You see some lightning there. Okay, that was kind of a surprise.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pepin County, southeastern Pierce County, southern Chippewa County, Eau Claire County, until 10:30 p.m. Thunderstorm was located along the line extending from 5 miles northwest of damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chippewa Falls around 9:35 p.m. Lake Lesotho around 9:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Durant, Cadott, Boyd, and Stanley. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities. The following is a summary of watches.
That was a surprise.
Ooh. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin, northern Trempealeau County and west central Wisconsin until 11 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durant. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Buffalo. Affected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is at 9:52 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 8 miles. Include half-dollar-size all around 10 p.m. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 91. Damage to vehicles is a protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. This is No Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz.
That was a surprise.
National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County, southern Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 10:30 p.m. At 10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located from around 10 miles south of Lakeville, 16 miles east of River Falls, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elmwood around 10:10 p.m. Eau Gallie around 10:20 p.m. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Okay, it's about right when I'm gonna go to bed, because I have school tomorrow, so I have to get to bed.